What's up? I know y'all are busy people. We're all busy people. It's not always even finding time to get stuff done in order to succeed in your day. Sometimes the best route, or really the only option you have, is combining, doing two things at once. Hey, come on. We're all busy people here. We're all trying to make it in life. We're all trying to be our best versions. But sometimes you just not got time or all that. So today, I'm gonna show you how to put on makeup while trail running. It's not just any trail running today. We are running through a snowstorm. So we are multitasking, working on our resistance against the cold, getting our workout in, and getting ready for the day. Brought with me my little makeup bag. First off, I'm gonna put a little concealer under my dark eyes. I don't want people to know that I'm tired of running all the time. This way, I'll load in. I'll look like a fresh athlete, like I've never ran a day in my life. Especially if you can do this with really baggy gloves on, you're gonna have an easier time. Yeah, and just like that. Sometimes you have to stop and walk. That is okay. That is part of getting it done. Just dab that in, take away those tired eyes. Yes, you are refreshed. It's like you get good sleep every night. Take a little of that. I'm sure I've got, cover up that chocolate I had for breakfast. So to really work on getting around your mouth. I didn't bring my other foundation today. Just figured I'd go with the really light stuff. It's winter, right? Nice light blue, opaque. We're going for the winter look here. So make sure you get all that garbage covered up. Screw these gloves, I give up. All right, what do I have next? Okay, we're gonna get a little brown going on. I decided I didn't want a winter look anymore and I want to have a tan. So I already got my bronzer on, my face like that. They're all nice and colored. Yeah, this isn't winter anymore, guys. We're in the Bahamas. Oh. Other people will be like, she's not a winter trail runner. She's Colombian. So look, next up I have my blush. Going for some nice pinky pink. I want to look like I was embarrassed. That's what makeup is. It just enhances your emotions. Yeah, how's that look? I'm feeling beautiful already. Ready to go about my day. Can't forget about the eyebrows. Oh, this is the most important makeup part. Well, you just gotta draw on those eyebrows. You know what I mean. This gets a little hard because it's a little bumpy on the trails, but you know, nobody's gonna care. They just want to see that you tried. Yeah. Oh, I feel just really put together right now. Oh, the eyeliner. Yes. I just use a nice little liquid eyeliner. It's just easier, especially when you're on the go like this. All right, this is where it gets really tricky, guys. You might have to slow it down. Yeah. Oh, that feels good. I only go on the above. It just makes my eyes so much brighter. Yeah, how's that? Got my lipstick. So what you do in times of desperation, you just grab a little bit of snow, and just aggressively rub it as hard as you can, and voila, beautiful pink swollen lips. Last but not least is mascara. If you don't have spider legs extending from your eyes, you're not gonna look refreshed. All right, so always open your mouth up or else you're gonna get the roof of your eyelid. It's the only way. Yes, 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 yes. Feels so good right now. Yeah, all right. Now, that's all it is. Got my morning routine done, my little running makeup tutorial while running. It's easy. Multitasking is what it's about. Kill two birds with one stone. And now I can go about my day.